Class 10, we have to start with exercise 13.1. Question number 1 is saying 2 cubes, each of volume 64 centimeters cube, are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. I had asked you all to revise class 9 syllabus of this topic. So I hope the differentiation is clear. What is a cube and what is a cuboid? If the faces are square, if all 6 faces are square, means length, breadth, height, all we call as side edge, AAA. That's a cube. And if length, breadth, height, 3 dimensions are different, rectangular faces of the box, then that's known as a cuboid. तो वो बोल रहा है आपके 2 similar cubes हैं जिनका volume given है. Volume of each cube is 64. So if you know the volume, what is volume of a cube? Side cube. Okay, so you can find the side from here. And then they have been joined end to end. So somewhat like this is happening. This is one cube and this is the other cube which we have kept next to each other. So for cube, as I showed you out here, AAA, all sides are equal. Okay, so ये 2 similar cubes हैं, इनको रख के ये cuboid बना दिया है. So naturally now if you see it as one box together, okay, one block, then length will become 2 times A plus A. Breadth will still remain same as A and height will also remain same as A. Okay, so इस जो resulting cuboid है इसका हमें surface area निकालना था. So first we'll find our A from here. So let A centimeter be the edge of each cube whose volume is given to you as 64. Then volume we know is A cube. So 64 would be A cube. That is, taking cube root, A would be 4 centimeters. Now, so as I have shown you here clearly, the length will become 4 plus 4, 8. Breadth will remain 4. Height will also remain 4. So formula for surface area TSA of cuboid is 2 times LB plus BH plus LH. Put the values and get your answer. Okay, so work out all these calculations you have to do on your own. Just थोड़ा बहुत visualize करना है कि कैसा figure बन रहा है. Then you've got to know your formulas and you should be good at your calculations. Okay, then next one is a vessel is in the form of a hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. Then the diameter of the hemisphere is 14 centimeter and the total height of the vessel is 13. You have to find the inner surface area of this vessel. So a hemisphere surmounted by a cylinder. Hemisphere के ऊपर एक cylindrical रखा है. The radius of the hemisphere, obviously of the cylinder also, if it is surmounting, would be 14. अगर 14 diameter है तो ये radius 7 हो जाएगा. Okay, total height of this vessel was given as 13. So from here till here, जिसमें से ये lower part 7 हमें clearly पता है, being radius of the sphere. So left over 13 minus 7 means height of the cylindrical portion would be 6. Clear? Now CSA, inner CSA, surface area क्या होता है? जो आपको दिख रहा होता है, what you can see, what you can touch, feel. Okay, all that is CSA, जो दिखेगा हमें. तो आपको क्या दिखेगा? एक तो आपको दिखेगा ये हेमिस्फेयर का कर्व सरफेस, फिर आपको सिलेंडर का कर्व सरफेस दिखेगा. इट्स हॉलो ना. ओके, सो इट वुड बी ओपन फ्रॉम हियर, राइट. सो इनर CSA, inner surface area, would be CSA of hemisphere, curved surface. Remember the difference, curved surface and total surface. Total में ये base भी आता है circular, but वो solid sphere नहीं है, तो यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं होगा. This would be empty out here, okay? So surface area, like last year also I had explained you, is what we can see and what we can touch and all, okay? Wherever the surface that is visible. And CSA of cylinder. So CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH. Of hemisphere's formula is, sphere का होता है 4 pi r square. So hemi is half 2 pi r square. Radius दोनों का same है, इसलिए हम ये 2 pi constant और ये r common ले सकते हैं. Okay, calculations easy हो जाएंगे. So 2 pi they had said use as 22/7. Radius would be 7, 14 का half. Then r plus h, 7 plus 6, which is 13. 7 gets cancelled. So the inner CSA of the vessel is coming out to be 572 centimeter square. Now third one, we have a toy which is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere. So again we have a hemisphere, on top of that is a cone. So that's the shape of the toy, and the obviously this radius of both of them would be the same. Total height of this toy is given to you as 15.5. You have to find the total surface area of this toy. So this way, naturally children, in all these questions you have to make the figure to make the examiner also clear that you have understood the question. And if the figure is in front of you, all dimensions written here, your understanding, your visualization would become better, and then you can straight away put the formulas and do the calculations. Okay, so we'll make the figure first. So we've again told a hemisphere surmounted by a cone. So that is how it comes. Radius of the hemisphere and as well as of the cone would be 3.5 centimeters only. The total height was quoted as 15.5 centimeters. Radius already हमें पता है 3.5, तो ये length इतना 3.5 हो गया. 15.5 minus 3.5, so left over, that is the height of the cone would be 12. Okay, that can be evaluated, this minus this. So now you were supposed to find the TSA. तो TSA again total surface जो कुछ हमें दिखेगा इस टॉय में क्या दिखेगा, एक तो आपको ये curved part दिखेगा, that is CSA of hemisphere and CSA of cone. इतना पूरा दिखेगा आपको. Okay, so TSA of this toy comes out to be CSA of cone plus TSA of hemisphere. Right, now formula for TSA of cone you remember is pi r L, and hemisphere just now discussed 2 pi r square. अभी हमको for this cone we know the radius and we also know the height. H पता है, R पता है. L is slant height, remember this one. तो CSA sorry of cone में हमको L चाहिए होता है. So you'll have to first find L. We used to do this. I hope you all remember from class 9. Pythagoras theorem, ये right angle triangle बन रहा है, right circular cone है. L square is equal to R square plus H square. So R was 3.5 square, H square. I have done and shown you the calculation, and which you are not copying as it is. You are working it out yourself because that is what is required in exam also. यही आपको देखना है. There is nothing difficult in the questions. It's just formula, थोड़ा सा visualizing, and rest is all calculation. So you have to make sure कि आप calculation आ रहे हैं आपको. Okay. So practice it out. जहाँ नहीं आता है उसको clarify करो कैसे आ रहा है. Otherwise ask me if there is any trouble. Okay, so we'll work it out. We've got L as 12.5 centimeter from here. This value you will substitute here. So pi was 22/7, R was quoted at 3.5, L we have worked out 12.5. So 2 pi and then R square. 7 cancels this out 5 times, 0.5 decimal tha. Okay, then I've taken this multiplication, 22 into 0.5, which comes out to be 11. 0.5 is half of 22 is 11. या जैसे भी करो, 5 to the 10, 5 to the 10 plus 1, 11 and 1 decimal point. Okay, then multiplying 12.5 with this. Again, as I am saying, calculation आपको खुद करने हैं, whichever way you find it convenient. No one will come and do the calculations for you. So 5 2s are 10, so only 22 remains here, into 3.5, that comes out to be 77. So here is your TSA of this toy.